Good morning, students. So let us continue with our chapter. Today in this video we are going to talk about atomic number and mass number. So let us first start with atomic number. So atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of the atom of that particular element. For example, nucleus of hydrogen atom contains only one proton, so therefore its atomic number is 1. Nucleus of carbon atom contains 6 electrons, therefore its atomic number is 6. Similarly, nucleus of oxygen atom contains 8 protons and its atomic number is 8. So helium contains 2 protons, so its atomic number is 2. Lithium contains 3 protons, therefore its atomic number is 3. Hence, atomic number is always calculated from the number of protons in the nucleus. And one thing more about atomic number is that no two elements have the same atomic number. For example, the atomic number of carbon is 6. So no other element can have the same atomic number equal to 6. Only carbon will have the atomic number 6. That is, each element has fixed value of atomic number. So atomic number is basically equal to the number of protons, and atomic number is denoted by the letter Z. Now let us talk about mass number. We know that atom of an element contains electron, protons and neutrons. And since the electrons have negligible mass, the mass of the atom is mainly due to protons and neutrons. So, therefore, the sum of number of protons and neutrons will be nearly equal to the mass of the atom, and this sum is called the mass number. So, mass number of an element is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom of the element. So mass number of an element is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Since protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus, these particles are collectively called nucleons. So proton plus neutron is equal to nucleons. Thus we can also define mass number as mass number of an element is equal to the number of nucleons present in the atom of that element. For example, carbon has mass number 12 because it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in it. Similarly, aluminium has atomic number 27 because it has 13 protons and 14 electrons in it. And similarly, you can see the case of sulfur, it has atomic number 32. Now, atomic number of an element, we know that is usually denoted by the letter Z, whereas the mass number is represented by letter A. So they are represented along with the symbol of the element, which we basically say X for any element. So on the lower left side, atomic number is written like this, whereas mass number is written on the upper left side of the symbol like this. So this is how we represent the atomic number and mass number with the symbol of an element. Here you can see the example of nitrogen. Nitrogen has 14 mass, so it is written on the upper left side of the symbol, and it has atomic number as 7, so it is written on the lower left side of the element. So that's it for today.